Hi everyone, welcome to Stripe course with Nextjs using Server Component and Server Actions. So first of all, what is Stripe and how does Stripe actually works behind the scene? Let me explain simply using an example. So let's say you are a business owner and you sell products to customers who are willing to pay for the product. So how do you actually accept the payment for the customer securely? Because accepting a payment and processing it can be complicated. So this is where Stripe comes in as a middleman or a payment processor. So Stripe actually simplifies the payment process both for business owner and the customer. Stripe helps transferring the money securely from the customer's bank to the business bank. So that's the basic idea of Stripe. So the course content are these. So in the next video, we are going to learn how to set up Stripe with Nextjs. Then we will learn the different type of checkout strategies we have, how to use Stripe hosted checkout page. This is where we will actually learn how to take payment from the customer, then how to use Stripe coupons, how to use webhooks. This is very important. Then we will learn about Stripe web elements and also web elements with checkout session. I'm not going to covering subscription. I will create an entire separate video about that. So if you're interested in learning how to use Stripe with Nextjs with me, then please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss the video. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.